Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how you can create a reflection in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so you can see we have two layers, the base layer and the object layer. So select the object layer and then we have to duplicate this layer. Just press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it. Now press Ctrl plus T and then flip the object vertical. Now place the second object below the first object. Adjust it according to the image. Alright, so once you have done, now select the duplicated layer. Then right click on it and click on Convert to Layers. After that, pick the gradient tool and select Gradient Editor. Now on the first point, select the color to black and opacity to 100. Similarly, on the second point, select the color to white and opacity to 0. After that, hit OK. Now hold and drag your cursor around the duplicated object to create a gradient effect. You can increase the gradient effect just according to the image, and here you go. So this is basically how you can create the reflection in Adobe Photoshop. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.